Hello everyone, I believe you are doing great. Today, let's kick off with a quiz on the very first lecture of intellectual property rights. So, are you ready? Let's start. First question. Intellectual property is a type of which kind of property? Tangible, intangible, divisible, visible. So, the answer is intangible. Second question. Which is not an example of intellectual property? Inventions, books, house, semiconductor circuits. So as you know, inventions, books, semiconductor circuits, all are type of intellectual property. Only house is not an intellectual property. So the answer is house. Third question. Intellectual property rights are which type of rights? It's unauthorized, statutory, prohibited or illicit. So the answer is statutory because it's governed by law. Question number 4. Utilitarian theory of IPR is given by Jeremy Bentham, John Locke, Canton Hazel, John Stuart Mill. The answer is Jeremy Bentham. Question number 5. Labor theory of IPR is given by Jeremy Bentham, John Locke, Canton Hazel, John Stuart Mill. The answer is John Locke. Personality theory of IPR is given by Jeremy Bentham, John Locke, Canton Hazel, John Stuart Mill. The answer is Canton Hazel. Question number 7. Right to property was made a legal right under which amendment of the Constitution of India? 40th Amendment 1976, 42nd Amendment 1976, 44th Amendment 1978 and 46th Amendment 1982. So the answer is 44th Amendment 1978. Question number 8. Which article of the Indian Constitution is applicable to intellectual property rights? Options 290, 300A, 312A, 320. The answer is 300A. So this article 300A is applicable for intellectual property rights, which is intangible property, and it's applicable to tangible property also. Question number 9. Which schedule of the Constitution gives power to the Parliament to make laws with respect to patents, inventions, designs, copyrights and trademarks? Options are 4th, 6th, 3rd, 7th. The answer is 7th schedule. Question number 10. Which is the most innovative country in the world? Sweden, Singapore, Switzerland, USA. Answer is Switzerland. Switzerland is the number one country according to the Global Innovation Index ranking. Okay, question number 11. According to Global Innovation Index 2022, what is the rank of India? 31, 12, 40, 58. The answer is 40. Okay, thank you.